How do you get something very old and physical, digital?
Brightfield is a game changer. That's how I would define it. What most people don't know, if you think about the distribution grid for power, that it's essentially offline.
The problem is very much a question of knowing what's happening where in real time.
The DPU is essentially the data processing unit. It can be installed super fast. While you have it installed, it digitizes that power transformer and it gathers the data from the power grid behind it. And then this data is sent to the cloud.
It mirrors exactly what's happening in the grid every second.
And you can use then the data for grid planning, load management, but also for predictive maintenance.
It's one thing to generate energy. The big issue of the future is getting it to where it needs to be at the time people need to consume it.
You know, if the sun is shining, the sun is shining. So all the solar panels in that area will just inject the power directly into this energy grid.
Who needs what when? That information has to come from data.
Obviously, you need to have a cloud that can handle that data amount, right? We are using the Google security product so that we really can say our system is extremely secure.
The amount of data flowing is not really possible for a human to comprehend. So we see the deeper aspects of AI that Google are bringing us into as absolutely essential for the energy future.
The pressure is there that we really need to nail the energy transition and really need to work on our grid and to digitize it. And that's where we provide the real-time operating system to handle all that data together with Google.